Have you guys ever imagined why this linked layer is for? Well, if you're not aware of that, then welcome to this channel. My name is Vishalja. I'm going to tell you guys what is this linked layer for. Okay, so let's start this video without wasting any more time. So right now I do have created two new documents over here which have different size. As you can see, both these documents have different size as well as different background color. So I have choose different background and different size just because you guys can differentiate between both these two documents. Okay, so I'm going to start and I'm going to tell you guys what basically is that linked layer for. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a shape like this, and I will take a new layer. Okay, and let's say I will fill any random color over here like this, and let's fill this color first in this new shape over here. And in this document, in the another document, I'm gonna do that same thing. I mean, I'm gonna create a different shape. Okay, just like that, and I'm just gonna fill a different color over here like this. Doesn't matter which color I'm taking. Just let me take this new layer over here. Okay, so we are ready to go. Okay, so first I haven't saved my file, so you have to save this file just to see the effect. So let me just save this desktop and like this. Okay, so right now I have saved my both of these files. Okay, so for example, I want this shape over here, over at this workspace. Okay, like this shape is like here, and now I want this shape as this workspace. Okay, so let's take this over here right now. Okay, but I just thought to make the changes in the original. So I just thought to make the change in the original workspace or in the original file in which this layer was there and I was working on it. So I just thought to make the color a little bit more darker by using this curve tool, and I just clip mask this over here. Okay, but this change which I have done over here didn't apply on my new workspace or on my another document. So here is the trick that I'm gonna tell you guys. So all you need to do is just save this one more time by doing Control and S. Okay, and I'm just gonna delete that. Okay, and from here, when you will go to the another layer, now go to the file, and here you will get a option for place linked. You have to just click over here. Okay, and you have to choose that file. So for me, that file is named by this one, so I'm going to place it over here. Now you will see something like this. Okay, so you don't have to do any change in this. Okay, all you need to do is hit Control and enter. You don't have to make the size very bigger, because if you will make what my opinion is that this file will actually lose the resolution. So I'm just gonna place this over here and hit enter. So as you can see, whatever effect I have made over here is here. Now for example, I don't want this effect over here. I'm just gonna delete that, but I'm not able to see this effect applying over here. Why? The reason behind is you have to save this file. So I'm gonna save this file one more time. So hit Control and S. Okay, so when you're done with that, just go to the another document and you will see the same effect which you have made the change, whatever you have made, you will see the same kind of thing over here. Okay, so that's the trick. You guys should know. And after that, doesn't matter how many changes you do with your file, you will see the effect, or you will see the changes in your another document. But you should make sure that you're saving the file and then you're moving to your another document. So let's say I just did make this a little bit more dark. Okay, and also what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna next thing I'm gonna do is just hit this brightness one, and let's say the brightness like this, and I'm just gonna do something like this. Okay, so I do have something like this right now, but not here. So what you have to do is, all you have to do is just hit Ctrl and S to save this file, and when this file gets saved, you will see the effect over here. Now if I will delete over here and if I will save this file, this will show the result in this new document. So I hope you guys like this trick, and if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like. Till then, keep practicing and keep creating new stuff.